Hey everybody, it's me again. Yeah, it's been a while, I know, but I wanted to grab the attention of anybody that follows me that's a smoker. Um, and if you use a zippo lighter, like so, okay, it opens, and shuts, and this is where my zippo life hack, if you want to call it that, comes into play. You need your zippo lighter, like so. Right here, right in here, would be a pin. So if that breaks, you would need a twist tie. And what I do is I take the colorful plastic thing off, um, simple nail clippers. What I'll do is I'll pause, spare you the detail of watching me do this, pick it back up in a second, and I'll show you the next process and, well, next step into what I do. Um, Give me one sec. Be right back. And I'm back. As you can see, I stripped off the color coding for the amount I gotta use. So now, take the nail clippers, cut the piece that I gotta use, and stick it right in the hole. Simple enough. This way, if you have a Zippo and you're a smoker, you could open it, the top would normally fall off, and you don't have that pin. Twist tie, cut off, certain piece, like I said a moment ago, like so. Twist it like that. See? And then there you go. Hope you enjoyed this little Zippo life hack, whatever you want to call it. I'll probably title that. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, whenever that may be. I'll try to post something soon. Talk to you later.